so we're going to do some revision today. All right, so let me project the slides. Now, I have only 2 students who submitted the answers today. That is so sad. What happened to the rest? I only have Jovan and Ruben, well done. How about the rest? I don't have your answers, and that is not right. All right, can you please explain to me in the chat, please? I need to know why you have not submitted the answers to me. All right, I don't wish to call parents to say, your child has not submitted your answers. All right, so please do it not because someone is, chasing you for it. Do it so that you can benefit better from the tutorial session. All right, you must do it. All right, so Anne, thank you for responding. So Anne keeps forgetting. So do it as a routine. So you know your tutorial session is on every Wednesday at 5:30. So write it in your student handbook every Tuesday. Every Tuesday afternoon or every Tuesday evening, you must finish up the assignment online. You must remember to click on the submit button. All right, so I have 7 of you, and out of 7 of you, I only have 2 students who have submitted. All right, so and Jovan is the first lesson. No worries, Jovan. And Jovan is his first lesson and he submitted. All right, so in other words, the rest of my students, right, only 1 person submitted, only Ruben. All right, now if you don't submit your work, right, then you will not benefit as much. Is everybody clear? All right, I take a serious view of this. You must try the questions and submit your answers before you come to the tutorial. All right, is that okay? All right, so why don't you do it every Saturday or Sunday? All right, because on Tuesday, you might have a lot of homework. So put it under every Saturday or every Sunday. Doesn't matter morning or afternoon or night. Can you please complete your assignment, submit your assignment before the start of the week, before Monday? All right, that will be much appreciated. That will help me. That will also help you. All right, so let's start. Now, I have told Jovan the rules. So basically, I'll be using a lot of the chat. So do not worry about giving me the wrong answer. I will only scold students who never give me any answer. All right, so if you have no idea what the answer is, you can make a guess and you put a question mark behind. Or if you really, really have no idea, you put IDK. IDK means I don't know, or you can type not sure. All right, rather than you don't give me a response. So I need to see a response in the chat. All right, so this is an ongoing promotion from 88 Tuition. Please share 88 Tuition with your family and friends. All right, so they will get 25% off and you also get 25% off. All right, let's start. This is called a horseshoe magnet. The shape is a U shape. All right, so it is a horseshoe magnet. All right, in other words, U shape lah. Okay, so horseshoe is a shape of a letter U. Okay, so it's held over some pins. All right, so there are pins here. So there are some interaction. Okay, so this magnet, right, is interacting with the pins. Now, can everybody type into the chat, what do you observe? I'm not asking for the answer. I'm asking, what do you see? Can you type into the chat? What is your observation? All right, what is your observation? Observation is what you see or what you hear or what you feel. You can use your skin and feel. All right, so what is your observation? You can feel the snake skin. Oh, the snake skin is very dry. The snake skin feels very dry. All right. Okay, Ruben, what is that? Okay, now Avon has given me the answer. The rest of you, can I have the answer? What did you observe? Okay, so I am seeing well done, Anne, well done, Avon. Two correct answers. You got a very nice keyword there. The rest, all right, I have 7 students here. So what happened to the 5? All right, so the observation is, what do you see? Can you say, oh, the pin stick to the magnet? Can or not? Can I say pin stick to the magnet? Can or not? Cannot, right? Okay, so I have 3 or 4 fantastic answers from Ruben, Jovan, Anne, and Avon. All right, I'm still waiting for 3 more answers. Okay, so Claire, where's your answer? And then Jane, where's your answer? Claire, Jane. And Wen-Xing, where's your answer? Right, so the 3 girls. Okay, Jane, Claire, Wen-Xing, what do you observe from the picture? What is your observation? Observation can mean, what does your eye see? What does your ears hear? Or what does your skin feel? Like if I feel a snake skin, the outside body covering of the snake is very dry. It's not wet. Snakes are very dry. All right, snakes are reptiles, they have dry skin. So cannot use the word stick. Instead, you will say that the pin, all right, is Claire. I'm not asking for the answer. I'm asking for what will you write as an observation. So the pin is attracted to the magnet. All right, pin is attracted to the magnet. Ruben, can you explain to me what is it that you are putting into the chat? I see a lot of pictures. Is that related to today's tutorial, Ruben? All right, if it's not related, please do not submit into the chat. Thank you. All right, so the key word is attracted. Okay, cannot use the word stick. So the pin is attracted to the magnet. All right, therefore, it means that the pin is definitely made up of what material? So the pin is made up of, can everybody type into the chat? Pin is made up of what kind of material? All right, it's made up of what kind of material? Can everybody fill in the blank, put into the chat. What is this word here? You're giving me an example, okay? You're telling me it's steel, but steel is what type of material? Now the answer is steel, you're right, but what kind of material is steel? Starting with M. So what is this blank here? Well done, Evan. The rest, what is this M word here? What material is this steel? So is magnetic. Okay, good job.
Trying to type in.
All right, magnetic material. Okay, it's magnetic material. Okay, so let's think of some examples of magnetic material. So magnetic material can be made up of steel is one of them. Can everyone type into the chat what other material is magnetic that you need to know? Either steel or what is the other one? Type into the chat. There are two magnetic materials in your PSLE syllabus. Okay, well done, Evan and Anne. You see the two students, their names start with A. They're always one of the first few to give me the answer. Good job, Joven. All right, the rest. Good job, so I only have Evan, Anne, Joven, and Ruben. Good job, Ruben, and good job, Joven. Hang on, 4 of you, right? 5. Wen-Xin, good job, 5. So I'm waiting for Jane and Claire again. Jane and Claire, other than steel, which other material is also a magnetic material? Can you tell me something that starts with I? Okay, Jane, I'm talking about this word. What material starts with I? What material starts with I and is a magnetic material? I repeat, which material starts with the letter I and is a magnetic material? Okay, well done, Claire. All right, so Jane, what is your answer? All right, Jane, what is your answer? Okay, you don't know, it's iron. Iron. All right, at least you tell me you don't know, that's much appreciated. All right, Jane. So I need everybody to respond. It's okay if you don't have the answer. Just write not sure or don't know. Or you can make a guess and put a question mark. All right, so this part, everybody must know magnetic material is iron and steel. All right, I have highlighted the important information for you so that it will help you. So everybody must remember iron and steel. How to remember it? Can you remember I and S? All right, so iron and steel. Okay, so here there's okay, maybe I write it here. Iron and steel. Okay, letter I, letter S. All right, so this pin, right, must be made up of either iron or steel. Then you'll be attracted to the magnet. Of course, there are other metals like cobalt or nickel, but are also attracted to the magnet. However, those are not in your syllabus. All right, so in the world, there are many, many materials attracted to the magnet, but all you need to know is iron and steel. All right, so steel is the correct answer. These three, all right, these three are non-magnetic. Okay, let me change the color. So this is a MM, all right, magnetic material. Okay, short form, I'll write MM, but no short form for exam. When you study, you can write MM, but when you write in the exam, spell it out, magnetic material. Wood, copper, and glass, they are non-magnetic material. All right, they are non-magnetic material. That means they are not attracted to the magnet. Okay, so even though copper is a metal, so copper is a metal, steel is also a metal. So take note that some metals are attracted to magnet, some metals are not. All right, because some students have the wrong idea that all metals in the world are attracted to the magnet. That's not true. Some metals like iron and steel, they are attracted to magnet. However, some metals like copper is also another type of metal, but it's not attracted to magnet. It's a non-magnetic material. All right, any questions so far? Okay, let's move on. Now, question 2, you have 3 bar magnet. Just now, the shape was a U shape. It's called horseshoe magnet. Bar means what shape? Anyone unmute yourself? Bar means what shape is a bar magnet? Bar magnet means it's a rectangle shape. Okay, rectangle shape. All right. So there are 3 magnets attracted to each other. Okay. So they are asking you what are the possible poles. So all you need to do for such question, you just put north, south, north, south, north, south. So you see, this one is north. This will be south. This is north. All right. Because south and north attracted. All right. South will attract north and north will attract south. Do you understand what I mean? Okay. So then if this one is north, then this has to be south. Because every magnet has a north pole and south pole. If this is south, then this has to be north. All right, so you check. This is first magnet, this is second magnet, this is a third magnet. So every magnet has north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole. And then if you put north here, here must be south. Then if this is south, it must be north because it has to be different poles. All right, these are the unlike poles. Okay, so unlike poles attract. Then if this is north pole, this has to be south pole because they attract each other. All right. So once you know that, then they are asking you what is A. A is north. B is north. So B, north, north, south. So the answer is north, north, south. So the answer is B. Is everyone clear? Okay. Now let me redo this. What happened now? I started with north. What happens if you do the other way around? Let's say if I start with south, can or not? All right. So let's try. If I started with north, I get the answer B. All right, so I started with north. But what if I want to try starting with south? Let's try. I'm going to erase everything. So let's say I put south here. If this is south, of course, this must be north. If this is north, this must be south because they attract each other. If this is south, this must be north. So A, B, C, A is south, B is south, C is north. So you're looking for an answer south, south, north. All right. Now, I do not have an answer south, south, north. All right. So if I have an option E, E is also correct. All right. If I have an option E, is also correct. Okay. But here, A, B, C, D don't have south, south, north. Therefore, you know, if you do it this way, you have to change it. All right. To north. Okay. If this is north, this is south. If this is south, this must be north. North must attract south. All right. So make sure that south attract north and north attract south. All right. That's why they are attracting each other. So therefore, your answer is north, north, south, which is this. All right. So the answer is B. Okay. Jovan, don't understand. You're talking about, is it question 2, Jovan? Jovan, do you mean this question? Let me know. Are you referring to this question you don't understand? After I have explained, do you still not understand? No, yes means what? Yes means, can you tell me, can you type yes or no again? Yes means you understand, no means you don't understand. Yes means you understand. Okay, so you don't understand. So, okay, let me repeat it again. Thank you for telling me that you don't understand. So you see, first of all, every magnet must have a north pole, south pole, right? Okay, so a magnet can be like that. Another magnet can be maybe south and north. So, but you cannot have, you cannot have, for example, north and north. Not possible. So this is possible, this is possible. Or you cannot have another magnet that is south and south. All right, every magnet must have one north and one south. You see, if this is a magnet, if you write N and N, that's wrong, right? Okay, because every magnet must have one north pole and one south pole. All right, so this magnet has one north and one south. This